This is your second revision video where we have a look at acids and bases, indicators, and basic chemical reactions. In terms of acids, bases, you need to know that an acid is a substance with a hydrogen ion with a pH below 6. A base has a spare hydroxide ion and a pH above 8. Something that's neutral has a pH of 7. And an indicator is something that we use to measure the pH. The picture below shows the universal indicator from 1 to 14 and identifies where strong and weak acids are, neutral, weak alkalis, and strong alkalis. Remember that we interchange alkali and base to suit our solutions. So, determining whether something is a strong or a weak acid or base, we can use our pH chart. On your worksheet, you need to determine whether the following are an acid or a base, and then whether they're strong or weak, and then the pH using the chart at the bottom. The first one is oven cleaner, the second lemon juice, the third vinegar, the fourth toothpaste, and the fifth is water. So with water you won't be able to identify whether it's strong or weak, but you'll be able to tell where it is on the pH chart. In terms of indicators, we're pretty familiar with using universal indicator, but there are quite a different types of indicators as outlined below. On your worksheet, you'll need to be able to identify what pH is matched up to which color for which indicator. In terms of chemical reactions, there are 4 main chemical reactions that you'll be quizzed on your test. So there's neutralization, where an acid and a base make a salt and a water, or where an acid and a base makes a salt, a water, and carbon dioxide. In the first reaction, acid-base makes salt and water, it's generally hydroxide. In the second, acid plus base makes salt plus water plus carbon dioxide, the base is generally a carbonate. In terms of metal and acids, you'll need to know that an acid plus a metal makes salt and hydrogen. So sulfuric acid plus magnesium would make magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. And you guys are familiar with that because we normally do the pop test with it in class. In terms of carbonates and acids, an acid plus a carbonate will make a salt, a water, and carbon dioxide. And we've used things like nitric acid, copper carbonate to make copper nitrate, water, and carbon dioxide. In terms of combustion is any hydrocarbon, so it could be like methane gas or ethane or octane or fuel like petrol, plus oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water.